What's up guys, back with another FIFA video, and to be brutally honest, I haven't touched FIFA in a long time now. So the way I'm looking at it is just that I've just kind of given everyone else a bit of a head start. Yeah. But I'm continuing with it. I am determined to make it to Division 1 on Ultimate Team. Relish the challenge. So let's pick up where we left off then. I haven't made any changes to my team since the last one. Kind of want to hang on to my coins for a little bit because I'm not frivolous on FIFA Ultimate Team at all. I work with very small amounts of money because I have no pack luck whatsoever. I just identify who I want and I go for them. Now for entertainment value, I might start buying some packs though. Okay, so a bit similar to me, this guy's got a Prem team as well. Nothing special, so let's go. I'll tell you what, I have not missed the voice of Alan Smith, I can tell you that. That might be my quickest ever goal on FIFA 18.
A few moments later.
Oh! Wow. Could be a long game for this guy. No! Good defending. Oh, save. Oh! Steve, just finish it. Oh, okay, that's cool. It's cool by me. We'll get straight into the next one then, switching things up. La Liga team. Let's see who you got then. Oh, Prem team again. Wow. Giroud, Zaha, Buffal. Why do I get the feeling that this guy is just gonna be a frustrating, skillful little so-and-so? Okay, let's go. Let's make it 2 from 2 for tonight then. I think I have a 100% record with the La Liga team actually. Probably shouldn't have said that. They've just come up at the top there saying the players the comparison players to watch are Iniesta versus Giroud. You trying to tell me that those two are going to have a physical battle on the pitch? Good one. Iniesta already working his magic in the middle of the park.
So magic. Such an insult.
Nice little chip through ball there to Vela. Oh, get in there! Now, a long time ago, people would have absolutely slated me because I genuinely said and believed that Iniesta was the best player in the world. Or maybe it wasn't like that, but what I said was, if I could have anyone in my team, I would have Iniesta. He's just like, he just pulls strings. Oh, ref, get out of the way! Wijnaldum, and he's got options in there. Why are you punching that? Why are you losing possession of that? Oh, save. This guy's getting back into it. Oh, it's Nolito Perez. Oh, penalty. No, it's half time. As long as this guy doesn't keep trying to outskill me with Zaha and Buffal, I'll be okay. Not that I'm trying to declare my weaknesses on FIFA 18 or anything.
I'm gonna do some solid snake shit here.
See you, nerd!
Oh, it's a good keeper rush there. It's just fallen over. Okay, he's got Giroud taking the... Okay, right, that's more like it. No! Deal with it, boys, come on! I didn't even press a button and he made a worldy interception there. That'll whip a good ball in. Oh. Come on! First draw on Ultimate Team then. Probably a fair result actually, that one. Iniesta unsurprisingly got man of the match. Okay, so I've just gone and bought myself a player, and in doing so it gave me a daily objective. So generous with these daily objectives, aren't they? Okay, so I'm going to work on this central midfield of my La Liga team to start, and I have just gone and bought myself Rafinha. So that's not bad. So Rafinha's going to slot in there now. Okay, we move on to our next game then. Back with the Prem team. Who are we going to get? Oh, this guy's got a guest. That's always interesting. I find that if you play with a guest, you are at a big advantage when it comes to attacking, and then a massive disadvantage when it comes to defending, because you just end up watching each other's players and you lose your shape and everything. The La Liga team, not too dissimilar from mine. Same formation, and Iniesta as well. I'm in deep trouble. Yellow submarine team, let's go. Wow.
Actually, I'm not even mad. That's amazing.
Oh, Charlie Austin with the dummy. Oh, Austin. Go on, someone's at the back stick. It's Shaqiri. How jamming was that? Oh my god. I'm pretty sure the defender could have just cleared that off the line. Literally, the ball was moving at 2 miles per hour. Look at him. Mascherano just watches that into the net. Oh, what a tackle. See you, nerd. Dusan Tadic says, see you, nerd. Take it, we'll take it. We played Andros 10. What? There's a corner all day long. Ref penalty. Oh, good challenge. Go on. Yeah! Another goal in off the post at about 2 miles per hour, absolutely trickling over the line. Steve, don't be making a habit of these. Just thump him in the back of the net, for God's sake. They're probably looking at each other going, how are we losing this? I'm a ruthless human being today. Easy win in the end. I mean, some moments in that game were just comical. Right, I think that's a good time to call it. Don't want to, overplay it tonight. Gradual building process, and we're getting there. It's tied up very nicely for next time, I think. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I would love to try and do some other game mode other than Ultimate Team. Maybe the training games or draft. Yeah, draft. Draft's a really good shout, actually. That would be good fun. But until then, thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe, all the usual good stuff, and I will catch you next time. Skirt. Douche.